Well, hello, welcome to the channel and thanks for joining me. So today we're going to take a look at this Sony Walkman WM-FX193. It needs a belt change and we're just going to give it a gentle look over and make any tape speed adjustments and clean the head, capstan, pinch roller, all that kind of stuff. Now, I have a bit of a confession to make. I actually am recording this in post-production because the original introduction got lost when my camera corrupted, and when I was editing it together it basically picks off with me opening the back case and getting stuck in. But I realised I didn't have an intro to give you guys, so I'm going back now with the finished article just to say hi, welcome to the channel, and as I say, we're going to do a belt change on this now and get it up and running and give her a good polish, and that'll be that. So please do stay tuned, watch the rest of the video. Enjoy the totally not seamless link to different lighting, different background and all the rest of it. Anyway, here's back to the original video. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. And so to remove the back cover, loosen these two Phillips screws in the corners and then open the cassette lid, and there are 3 tabs. You might see the daylight through them at the back there. You push those in as you retract the back part of the cover, and then there we go. Slightly easier said than done, if I'm honest, but there we go. That's how we get to that bit. So the next stage then is to access the belt itself, and to do that we all need to just go in here and remove the circuit board. So we've got the screw here just in this corner. Let's have a look. Ah, there's tabs, right? Okay, so we've got some little plastic tabs. There's one there for definite. Let's see if we can pull that up. Yep, and that's it, I think. Let's see what else we've got. Right, so now we're held in by the ribbon cable on that side, and we've also got these cables running across here, which don't appear to give us an awful lot of room, if I'm honest. I can see that, well, the belt, actually, if I just wiggle this around, you can almost see the belt wobbling around. I mean, it's super loose. It's very, very clean in there, though, from what I can see. We'll have a closer look in there in a minute. But yeah, from what I can see in there, the belt is definitely loose. I mean, that's had it. So I think that's all the problem is going to be. So to that end, we might be able to, yeah, I'm just trying to see what we're going to have to desolder, either that ribbon cable there or those 4 cables there. I suspect will probably be easier just to take these 4 off: black, orange, white and red. So let's go and do that now. Okay, that's those 4 away, and sure enough, just move this camera a little bit. Sure enough, there we go, and there's the old belt. Of course, it doesn't help us massively in, oh dear, I was going to say it doesn't help us in the direction or anything like that of the belt, but I don't think it's going to matter too much. I think it's, I think this one is just a direct drive from the motor to that pulley there, because everything else is geared. So let's get into some better light and we'll get the belt on. Okay, so I've got a new belt, and we'll try and put that through here. Just make sure there's no twists in it, and that seems pretty good to me. That's it. We just check that the switch just here is moving back and forth, which it is, to make those leaf contacts, and then we'll just go and put these cables back on and we'll be in business. Okay, there's those 4 cables reconnected and the screws back in the board. Just going to check now to make sure that everything's working okay. I'll put the headphone jack in and see if we can get something to work. Right, first things first, does the radio still work? Where's the switch for that? There we go. Good stuff. Yep, that's okay. Right, the important thing then is the tape. So let's see if we can get a cassette to work in it now without the batteries falling out. Right, okay, play. Lovely. Bit quick. Fast forward, rewind. Lovely. So she's just running a tiny bit quick. There we go. Good stuff. Yeah, so just a different, slightly different belt thickness there from the one that came out. So we've just adjusted the tape speed accordingly. Let's see if I let go of these batteries, they almost inevitably will ping out. So that's it then. So let's just get the back snapped back on and see if we can do that with those two screws. They seem to be fairly captive. They didn't want to come out when I unscrewed the unit. So what we'll do is we'll just try and snap that back on. Like so. There we go. And then we'll just do these two screws up and give it a polish. And we should be good to go. And not forgetting, of course, to clean the head, the capstan and the pinch roller, as usual. So just press play halfway in, just so that you can get to everything there. And we'll just clean the capstan. We can spin the pinch roller and clean it as we go. Clean the head, of course. And that's it. So, yeah, let's get on with that. And I'll be back with the final reveal in a second. So here it is then, the Sony Walkman WM-FX193, looking resplendent as the sunshine streams through the window here. So didn't need much really, it was in lovely condition anyway, so we've just given it a belt change, given it a bit of a zhuzh, cleaned everything up, checked the pots and the switches okay, and yeah, clean the head, capstan, pinch roller, that's about it really. So just a very quick service on this one, so if you've got one and wanted to know how you do it, I hope you find that useful. And there you go. So I'll just give it a quick demo for you. So the radio just on there.
Consequences for it. Cornish clotted cream. Rodders.
It's a great radio, and I've got to say it sounds fantastic through headphones, this unit. It's really nice. I thought it might have sounded a bit cheaper and that, but it's actually really nice. So anyway, here's the tape. And we'll fast forward it and rewind and play, and there it is. That's it. Fantastic, and there's no crackle on the volume or anything like that. So there we go then, as I say, the Sony Walkman WM-FX193. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you soon. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell for updates, and I'll be back with Walkmans, 8-tracks, boom boxes, all kinds of retro stuff, arcade games and that kind of thing. Anyway, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.